Ever wondered how a military-grade overland rig turns into a six-figure luxury off-grid machine? We're diving deep into the world of Hunter RMV, the builder behind some of the most hardcore, customized expedition RVs on the planet. From chassis selection to custom interiors, solar power, and even motorcycle garages, this isn't just camping. It's overlanding on another level. Let's explore how an $800,000 overlanding rig is born, from bare metal to beast mode. A good overlanding rig balances hardcore capability with the desired creature comforts without compromising durability. It's a delicate balancing act with which the folks at Hunter RMV are all too familiar, having been in the business of building expedition trucks for more than a decade. We toured the overlanding rig builder's headquarters and took a closer look at several of its products to get a better sense of what it takes to get one of these rugged mobile homes rolling. They definitely go way beyond a typical camper van or RV. The first step for the creation of any of Hunter RMV's expedition trucks is an initial consultation. During this meeting, a customer chooses whether they want to start with a pre-built box or a fully customized rig. Hunter RMV works with the customer to determine the desired dimensions of vehicle, its intended purpose, and other individualizations. Procuring a chassis. Hunter RMV works with a variety of platforms, including the Chevrolet Kodiak medium-duty truck, Mitsubishi Fuso, Isuzu FTR MT3, and a Acela Montera GL LMTV. Isuzu models get a 4x4 conversion from Tulsa Truck Works. Acela-based builds are available in 4x4 and 6x6 guises. Hunter RMV performs last-touch chassis modifications before moving on to the next step, fabricating the four-point articulating subframe. Before Hunter RMV gets to work on installing a habitat on the back of one of its expedition trucks, a four-point articulating subframe must first be fabricated. This system uses 4 trunnions to isolate the habitat box from the chassis for better stability on the trail and protects the living space from vibrations, painting the cab and installing the habitat. After the subframe is completed, Hunter RMV moves on to the cosmetics and living space. The rig's cab gets a fresh paint job to the specification of the customer. Then, Hunter RMV's team moves on to installing either a pre-built production box or a custom-built habitat constructed in-house. A car lift is used to move the habitat into place. Full customization. Once the box is in place, the Hunter RMV crew begins outfitting the interior of the box with furniture and hardware. The customer continues to have input at this point of the build. In some case, details are straightened out during the stage of assembly as the interior. Layout materials and additional features are finalized. Solar panels and electronics. Hunter RMV equips its trucks with a variety of creature comforts inside the cabin, powered by a Victron Smart Energy system. Specifications vary from vehicle to vehicle depending on the customer's needs, but a typical setup from Hunter RMV features a 1,200-watt solar array on the roof, an 800 AH lithium battery bank, a 3,000-watt inverter, and a 30-amp Victron TR Orion charge controller. The electricity is used for the interior LED lighting, Dometic air conditioning unit, television, camera monitoring, and more. Kitchen and dining. Hunter RMV's rigs typically come equipped with a kitchen comparable to that of a small apartment. The builder installs an induction cooktop with 2 burners, a microwave, 1 or 2 fridges, a freezer, and a sink. There's also a hood vent to pull smoke and steam out of the cabin. Plumbing and washing. Hunter RMV commonly outfits its rigs with more than 100 gallons of freshwater storage and a 35-gallon gray water tank so you can stay out in the wilderness for extended stints. Hot water for the sinks and showers comes courtesy of a Truma diesel heat and hot water system. The rigs are generally equipped with a Nature's Head composting toilet, eliminating one complicated plumbing element. A garage with a world of possibilities. Some of Hunter RMV's rigs are equipped with a garage that can be used to store gun cabinets, hunting game coolers, extra bunks, or a small workshop. Those that want to haul around a second form of transportation, for when their overlanding rig is parked, can use the space to store bicycles or motorcycles. To further accommodate this type of customer, Hunter RMV has installed a lift to raise bikes up to the level of the garage. Grills galore. Slung underneath the box of many of Hunter RMV's builds are 1 to 2 grills from Traeger and Blackstone. The grills are housed in steel cabinets and can be pulled out with sliding rails whenever it's time to cook. Further individualization. Hunter RMV offers several options to tailor its expedition trucks to the needs of its customers. Some buyers want to be able to get into the cab from their habitat, so Hunter RMV can outfit its trucks with a pass-through connecting the two spaces. This feature comes with a door and insulation to help reduce noise penetration. Those who want to stay online while being off the grid can option Starlink satellite internet, powered by the Victron system. A $4 kilo generator is also available for backup power. And in the true spirit of overlanding, Hunter RMV will equip off-road lighting to improve visibility at night. Anything else is up to your imagination and how wide you're willing to open your wallet. How much does a Hunter RMV expedition truck cost? Pricing varies dramatically from build to build due to the nature of individualization provided by Hunter RMV. Custom as standard is the ethos of the builder, granting a high degree of flexibility when it comes to exactly what each finished truck looks like. Hunter RMV's Sherpa line of pre-built boxes starts around $200,000 and reaches $300,000 for the top trim. Custom builds using the Isuzu FTR or Acela LMTV platform start anywhere from $450,000 to $500,000 and can extend as high as $800,000 with enough personalization. Some of Hunter RMV's rivals build expedition trucks in the territory of 7 figures, so the rigs pictured here are intended to offer the same capability at a relatively more attainable price point. Custom builds can take anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 hours of work, which can take from 1 to 2 years from initial inquiry to finalizations. Currently, the manufacturer typically builds 3 to 4 rigs per year, so know that patience is key if you're in the market for an expedition truck. Fortunately, those that are willing to wait are bound to get exactly what they want when Hunter RMV has finished working its magic on one of these colossal overlanders. Whether you're planning your next great escape or just dreaming big, one thing's clear. Hunter RMV builds rigs that redefine what's possible off-grid. Would you take one of these into the wild? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more extreme vehicle deep dives. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous.